If you are looking at investing in Chevron Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria, then this is the best offer for you. We're taking a drive down to the property we have for you for site for sale. It is a waterfront commercial land and residential land for sale. We started the road tour video from two of the most lived estates in Chevron, which is Vera Estate on the left hand side and Lekki Paradise 3 on the right hand side. Now, getting the end of Chevron Road, you will get to this gate. We call it Gracefield Island Gate entrance. Beside it is the Chevy Castle Acres, which we sold out in a couple of months for 55 million for the half plot and 100 million for the full plot. But now the half plot is now going for 142 million naira. And those of my clients who keyed into that project have made over 100% return on investment. And as you already know, with 300 square meter, you can use that to build a fully detached 4-bed, 5-bedroom duplex. Now, we're talking about this road tour that will take you all the way down to sites, Solace Residential and Solace Commercial. This land you see right here, it's called Gracefield Island. It started all the way from that gate, and we are heading down to site. Very soon you will see that you can see those sand. Yes, that's to tell you that the road construction is ongoing from the inside, way inside. The fence you see on your left hand side is to show you the boundary of where the Gracefield Island ends and where the other estates starts from. Now this road, the construction is currently ongoing right now. In the next few seconds we will be there. You can see the materials on the road. The grading has been done. We'll be there very soon. Now, Solace Residential is one of the most affordable land, which is just behind one of the most lived, sought after, oldest estate in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria, which is Northern Foreshore. Northern Foreshore is just by the side of Solace Commercial, and this estate is directly facing the waterfront. Now you can see workers on the road. They are the one doing the construction on the road. Now the company that is working on this construction, we call them graffiters, while the name of this island is called Gracefield Island. And you can see this road is called Gracefield Causeway. That's what they call this road. As you can see, it drainage has been done on the left and the right. You can see the walk. You can see how wide the road is. You can see the lane, the coming lane. You can see the tippers. Now we are almost, that's Northern Foreshore by that side, and this to your left hand side is Solace Commercial, and we have just 15 plots to be sold. That's 1 hectare. You can see it's very small, and you can see where this waterfront ends. That is where the commercial ends, while the other side of the water is the residential spots. So that makes it a waterfront property. So if you are an investor who is into clubbing, who is into yacht business, who is into hospitality business, this is the best commercial that you can buy into right now. Now very soon we'll be taking our turn to the left hand side, which will take you all the way down to Solace Residential Estate. Now we're selling this estate for 90 million naira at 2 months ago. Those of my investors are keyed into it. They've now made 20 million naira. That's for the 300 square meter. Now 300 square meter is half plot and 500 square meter is full plot. Now two clients of mine bought actually for 90 million naira. That's the half plot. Now we're taking the U-turn now. Now that is Solace Residential first gate. There will be a gate here. First gate will be here, while the second gate would be, we will get there soon. Once we get there, I will show it to you. Now, those who keyed into it back then 2 months ago have now made 20 million naira for themselves on the half plot. And then the Full plot was selling for 150 million naira, and right now, guess what? It's now selling for 118 million naira, which makes this property a good buy and the most affordable right now in Chevron. If you want to buy a plot of land in Chevron right now, it's going to sell for nothing, give or take, nothing less. You can do your search, nothing less than 250, 300 million naira, even as high as 350, depending on the estate you are buying it right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video you'll be able to make a decision on the number of plots you would like to buy right here at Solace Residential or the Solace Commercial. Now, this is the second gate of Solace Residential. So there are going to be 2 gates, and you can see the land has been sandfilled, 100% dry land, and very soon workers will move to site and work would be kickstarted. Over there you can see our signboard, and that is the Solace Residential signboard. And from residential you can see the commercial, and from the commercial you can see the residential. Welcome to Solace Residential. Thank you.